Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have a health-related video for you to enjoy. And it's about cinnamon. Cinnamon.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun. I never want to leave this bed. Uh-oh. Gotta take a whiz. Think, man. Think. I better get up.
There are two main types of cinnamon, Cassia cinnamon and Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon is primarily produced in Indonesia and has the stronger smell and flavor of the two varieties. This cheaper variety is what we usually buy in grocery stores to sprinkle on our apple pies or French toast. The more preferred health option is Ceylon cinnamon. It's a source of antioxidants. It contains anti-inflammatory properties, protects heart health, helps fight diabetes, helps defend against cognitive decline and protects brain function, and it may help lower cancer risk. Vita Day sent us a sample of their organic Ceylon cinnamon. It's marketed for heart and circulatory health. It's a powerful antioxidant and it helps with arthritis pain. The bottle has 90 easy-to-swallow tablets. I did some research on healthline.com and was amazed at how Ceylon cinnamon, aka true cinnamon, is praised by health experts. It's loaded with antioxidants and it can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin, which is really important to diabetics. One reason that this particular brand is premium is because it's certified organic. Put simply, if you see the USDA organic or certified organic seal on your food, the item must have an ingredients list and the contents should be 95% or more certified organic, meaning free of synthetic additives like pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and dyes, and must not be processed using industrial solvents. A lot of supplements use wording like organic or natural, but you should look for the certified organic stamp. If you're interested in this product, I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. It's a good one. There's also a promo code for a discount. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for new videos every week.